Check out this 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified the Sierra 1500 as having one owner. The Sierra 1500 has just under 55,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tinted windows and passenger airbag. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.